Welcome the our channel. Today we how to cancel your membership with Pure Barre, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your membership with Pure Barre, start by logging into your Pure Barre account. Go to the official Pure Barre website or open the mobile app. Use your registered email and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Membership or Billing tab. Click on this tab to view your membership details. Locate the option that allows you to manage or cancel your membership. Read through any relevant information regarding cancellation policies. If you're ready to proceed, select the option to cancel your membership. Follow any additional prompts or confirmations that may appear. Make sure to review the final details before confirming your cancellation. Once canceled, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your email for this confirmation to ensure your membership has been successfully canceled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Pure Barre customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and answer any questions you may have about the cancellation process. Remember to check if there are any outstanding payments or commitments before finalizing the cancellation. This will help avoid any surprises or additional charges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.